Pico, now that you've had a few days to reflect since the Argentina game, how do you reflect on the whole journey from start to finish now?
Look, you couldn't have asked for any better. It's a funny, I've been saying to a few people, it can't get any better than this, and it just managed to get better. Reflection was we wanted to go out there and show that we deserve to be there and compete, and I think we've shown the world that we're well able to do it now, and that was the big thing for me.
When we spoke to your mother earlier, she said when she met your father that she didn't even know where Cape Verde was herself. Do you think now it's fair to say you've put Cape Verde on the map?
Yeah, and that's the significance of it all. It's like football aside, no one will have to ask where Cape Verde is again, and that's the pride that our people will share, and for me that's really special.